Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. Targeted serial terror attacks on civilians in Jammu and Kashmir continues. 2 teachers shot dead by terrorists in a Srinagar school now. Heartbreaking visuals also from slain Sikh principal Satinder Kaur's house, where his mother broke down, saying terrorists should have killed her instead of her daughter. Emotional scenes also at Sangam School, where teachers mourned the murder of their 2 colleagues. The principal and teacher Deepak Chand was shot dead by terrorists in Srinagar, taking the civilian deaths to 7 in just 5 days. The brutal killing comes just 2 days after 3 civilians were murdered by terrorists in Srinagar. A well-known pharmacy owner and Kashmiri Pandit Makhan Lal Bindru, a Pani Puri seller from Bihar, and a cab driver were killed in a terror attack on Tuesday. Total of 25 people have died due to targeted terror attacks so far this year. Centre has called for a high-level meeting on security in North Block, where Chief of India's paramilitary forces are present.
हमारी टी ब्रेक थी, हम चाय पी रहे थे इस कमरे में। तो ये बाहर बैठे थे, थोड़ा शोर सुना और फिर जब हमने फायर सुने तो मतलब हमने गन शॉट सुने तो हम मतलब शॉक हो गए कि हमने खिड़की से देखा तो यहाँ पे मतलब शोर सा यहाँ पर। फिर हम जब बाहर निकले फिर लोकल्स भी आए, लोकल्स जब यहाँ आए तो लोकल्स फिर हमने मतलब देखा कि हम मतलब बाहर भी नहीं निकल पाए। तो बाहर निकले तो वहाँ पे मैडम और दीपक सर टीचर एक हमारा वो गिरा हुआ था वहाँ पे।
ये दहशत का माहौल पैदा करने के निशाने से इस तरह की कार्रवाई जो है और रंग देने के लिए ऐसी किलिंग्स को, ताकि आपसी भाईचारा जो जहाँ पर कश्मीर में आपस में लोगों का है उसको नुकसान पहुँचे, उसको ठेस पहुँचे। और हम लोग बहुत जल्द ही जो इन केसेस में मुलव्वस लोग हैं, इस दहशतगर्दी, दरिंदगी और वहशत में जो लोग मुलव्वस हैं, जो इंसानियत को निशाना बना रहे हैं, जो जम्मू कश्मीर का आपसी भाईचारा उसको निशाना बना रहे हैं, जो जहाँ का लोकल अथॉस और वैल्यूज़ है उसको निशाना बना रहे हैं, मुझे लगता है कि इनको जल्दी बेनकाब करने में पुलिस कामयाब होगी।
Kamaljeet Sandhu now joins us live from Delhi for the very latest. Kamaljeet, first walk our viewers through the spate of civilian killings that we've witnessed in the valley, and secondly, there is a high-level meeting that is taking place within the Home Ministry to tackle the situation. I'm throwing straight across to you to get us all the latest on the story.
Well, gut-wrenching scenes on the ground, even as a school principal and a male teacher were killed in Sangam in Srinagar. This is being condemned by one and all, but there is definitely a communal angle of the terrorists who are hand-picking and killing people from minorities. In all, 25 people have been killed so far. The recent spate of killings have been of targeted killings of minorities, which seems to be a cause of concern. And Security Grid says that there is a fair attempt to bring in Kashmiri Pandits back to have a sense of normalcy. And we've seen whether it's the Indian flags which are flying high in Dal Lake, or whether it's the scenes. This is what the terrorists are against. They don't want any sense of normalcy. What they're doing is targeting a poor Bhelpuri wala. They're targeting an Ikhwan. They're targeting a Kashmiri Pandit. They're targeting a Kashmiri Sikh. So one is to ensure that there is a bad name which has been brought into the community. And let me tell you, my stay in J&K, I've seen that they have been by and far welcoming it, and people that I've spoken to have condemned this attack. But yes, security concern is now a major key from resonance on the ground that security forces, despite having extra boots on the ground, there are targeted killings which are happening. Now, let me talk about the meeting which is going on currently in Home Ministry in the North Block. This is being chaired by Home Minister. It's been more than an hour since the meeting began. On ground, situation is being discussed whether these are targeted killings. Yesterday, LG Manoj Sinha took meeting in the police headquarters where DG Dilbag Singh and IG Vijay Kumar along with other Jammu Kashmir police personnel were present. Today it's also the NSA, DG CRPF, DG BSF, the RAW chief, the IB chief, all of them are present. And in focus is these targeted killings and what is really happening. Cross-border terrorism is something which is what Security Grid has been wary of. That is why they've stepped up vigilance.
Absolutely, and also we've got that video coming in from the valley where the victims' next of kin are absolutely shattered at what has transpired. Take a look at this gut-wrenching video.